guides you through converting PDF pages into JPEG images using SaaSBox's online tool. You will learn how to search for the tool, upload your PDF, configure conversion settings, and complete the process. Click Search on Google to begin your query. Fill trysaasbox.com in the search field to locate the SaaSBox website. Click SaaSBox, compress, merge, split, and convert PDFs online from the search results to access the site. Switch to the trysaasbox.com tab to start using the SaaSBox PDF tools. Click Convert PDF Pages to JPEG Images to open the PDF to JPEG conversion tool. Click Browse PDF File to select the PDF you want to convert from your device. Fill File section by selecting your PDF file for conversion. Click Standard Quality JPEG, High Quality JPEG, Compressed JPEG to select your preferred image quality. Click Original Page Size Large Small to choose the output image size. Click Convert PDF to JPEG to begin converting your PDF pages into JPEG images. You have successfully converted PDF pages into JPEG images using SaaSBox's online tool. You can now download the images or explore additional PDF conversion features available on the site.